I am Dr. Girish Gupta, orthopedic hand surgeon at Eternal Hospital, Jaipur. So I'll be talking about de Quervain's disease. It's a very common disease in females, particularly postnatal, like after pregnancy, during pregnancy, or before pregnancy. These females they have this severe pain at the base of the thumb. The thumb is coming over the wrist. So severe pain at the base of the thumb, and when they move their thumb, it is very painful, and it is very disabling also. And it can happen to other females also, other males also who are working, who are continuously kind of lifting something with this grip. If you lift something with this grip, so you will have that pain. What is de Quervain's disease? Basically, thumb, the two tendons APL and EPB. APL and EPB tendons of the thumb, they makes the first extensor compartment, and they go through over this wrist. So what nature has done is just to keep them at place, like the electricity wires in earlier days, they were kind of going outside and we used to have clips to keep them in place. Similarly, the nature has made a band. We call it first extensor tendon sheath. So that band keeps the tendon in place, and when you do this thing now, get tented over the sheath, and the sheath gets swollen, it gets irritated, and there is a lot of inflammations there. So what we do is, initial treatment is just the rest. We give a thumb spica splint, cold packs, and some anti-inflammatory medication for some time. If that works in early stages, that works. If that doesn't work, the next step is intralesional steroid. We have to give an intralesional steroid. Very minimal dose. Local steroid doesn't have any harm other than the patient shouldn't be diabetic, and if he or she is diabetic, then it should be controlled. The sugar must be under 160 milligram of DL. So the sugar must be controlled at the time of injection. Intralesional steroid, other than this thing, they don't have any other complications. It's a very good thing for de Quervain's. Only the thing is, it should be given by an expert who understands where to go, both the compartments here, because sometimes we have two compartments, sometimes one, and both the compartment should be addressed. It shouldn't go into the tendon, it shouldn't go into the sheath, it should clearly go into the space between the tendon and the sheath, and it should fill there. And you have a diagnostic test. First we give a local injection so that patient doesn't have pain, and once you give that local injection, it makes you comfortable that you are going in the right place, and then you give that intralesional steroid. It's very rewarding. Only thing is, the patient should be taught about what he or she not to do after the injection, like not to do the grip like that, not to do the wriggling motion like India में हमारे जो हम कपड़ा निचोता है, या फिर जो हम लोग जो है रोटी बेलते हैं, उसमें जो मूवमेंट होता है वो इस पेन को क्रिएट करता है. तो हमें वो सारे मूवमेंट्स अवॉइड करने पड़ते हैं, बड़ा केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है, और अगली बार जब भी होता है तो हमें उसको पहले से ही पता चल जाता है, तो देन हम इमीडिएटली अगर उसको रेस्ट देते तो ये ठीक हो जाता है. तो de Quervain's disease is very treatable and mostly without surgery. But yes, if the patient gets 1 or 2 injections somewhere, something we have given, and not following the precautions later on, then we might have to go for surgery, because surgery is the final it's a good this thing, but only should be done in resistant cases where there is a nodule formation is there, and there is a clicking, some triggering is there. So there is something locking, tendon is locking, then only you go for surgery. So de Quervain's, we release the first extensor compartment, and the patient is totally pain free, the tendons are free. But the surgery is very important. It looks like a very simple or small surgery, but no. In this particular surgery, we have to be really careful about the nerve going here, the radial cutaneous nerve, the branch of radial nerve. This nerve shouldn't be damaged. If this nerve is damaged or something goes wrong with this nerve, then it's very troubling. The patient, what the patient earlier was having the pain, now the patient will more pain. So it has to be done by an expert, and very rarely required. If patient comes early to us, it is very rarely required. Thank you so much.